First time in Indian history going to connect two states of northeast zone from West Bengal to Sikkim via railway line. So welcome to mega project called the Sevok Rangpo Railway Line project, which is a dream project of Shri Narendra Modi ji, having national importance and going to complete coming year 2024 most probably. The Sikkim state don't have any railway connections except National Highway 10, which connecting Sikkim to West Bengal. Total length of the project is 44.96 kilometers, passing through Mahananda Wildlife Sanctuary, Kurseong Forest Division, Kalimpong Forest Division, Darjeeling Forest Division, and the East Sikkim Forest Division, which is ultimate connecting from West Bengal to Sikkim. This project consists of 18 major bridges and 14 tunnels. Tunnels almost cover 85% of the total length of this project. During the construction of this tunnel, we have faced so much geological failure and engineering challenges. But with the help of expert team from IRCON, DDC, Amberg Engineering and the contractor Dhraja Construction Private Limited, we have overcome and almost achieved. So in future, coming year, we the common people can travel from West Bengal to Sikkim via railway lines with safe journey and less time, that is of 45 minutes to connect from West Bengal to Sikkim.